So hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your outer tire then on a Kia Optima. It's basically the same for all cars. So this is how to change your tire then. Alright, so you want to take off the wheel. As you can see, because the tire then is bent, it eat the tires. So we need to change that. And after you change it, we're going to need an alignment. So when you take this off right here, it's going to be 21 millimeter. Take off the lug tool, or you can use your lug tool to take it off. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description of how to change how to get the tire then online. I'm gonna try to start leaving that, and all the tools I use too, I'm gonna leave it at the end of the video. So 21 millimeter so far. So first thing first, get your gloves. That's good. And 21 millimeter. Then get the tire off. So that's okay so far. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to come back here, take off this big nut at the back of the tire then, and in this case it's going to be 24 millimeter. Your cars might be different, some cars may be different. So I'm going to take that off, and then I want to get this loose first, because when you get this loose, it make it easier for when you take it out of the spindle. Alright, so that's what I'm going to go and do it first. Not the spindle, steering knuckle. Alright? Alright, so just want to get it loose some. Alright, so that's good. Now it's time to take this clip out right here. Alright, that's good too. And take this off right here, alright? Alright, so it's gonna be 14 millimeter. Take that off. That's up right there. You wanna get a hammer and you wanna knock right here. Alright? That. And now I can just turn it off like this, alright? Alright, so now it's time to get the new one and put it on. Yeah, I almost forget, but this is the part number right here. 56820C1000, alright? That's the part number for the left hand side. The right hand side probably have a different part number, but this the outer tire then we're changing, alright? Go ahead and get it out the box, the bag. Just want to put it on and screw it back on, alright? It's real easy. Like that. Just turn the whole thing. You want to try to get the wheel as straight as possible so you can drive it to the alignment rack without eating off the tires. So that's it. And after that, you want to tighten up your gotta use my 2-1 for that. So you want to tighten that up, alright, so I tightened this up, tighten that up. You want to make sure you have a cutter pin put in here and double check your work, make sure everything that you take off is tight. After you put your cutter pin on, it's time to put on the tire. Alright, got my cutter pin right here. Now it's time to get the tire on. Alright, so these are the tools I use. I use a 21mm socket, I use a 14mm, and I use a hammer, and I use a 24mm wrench. And you're going to need this, even though I didn't use it, but you're going to need this to take the pin out. I use my finger, but your finger might not be as tough as mine or strong, so you're going to need this. Alright, and please guys, give a like and subscribe, thumbs up. See you next time. Peace out.